Hello everyone, I am Ella and in this video we will learn together how to use as if. Let's get it started. As if is a practical idiom, so we use it in different ways. Let's learn one of them together. We use it when we want to show that we don't believe that something is likely or possible. For example, did you get pay rise? As if. Or he says that he will be on time tomorrow. Oh, as if he's always late. Or I am going to wake up earlier tomorrow morning to exercise. As if. Now, this is your turn. Write into the chat box one example with as if. See you later.